Multiply 3.5 by 125 using long multiplication. Since the order of the factors does not change the product, write 125 on top and 3.5 on the bottom to use fewer partial products. For now, ignore the decimal points. Start with the rightmost digit of the bottom factor. 5 times 5 is 25. Put 5 in this column and carry 2. 5 times 2 plus the carried 2 is 12. Put 2 in this column and carry 1. 5 times 1 plus the carried 1 is 6. The first partial product is 625. Now use the next digit to the left, 3. Start one place to the left. 3 times 5 is 15. Put 5 in this column and carry 1. 3 times 2 plus the carried 1 is 7. 3 times 1 is 3. The second partial product is 3,750. Now add the partial products, working from right to left. In the ones column, 5 plus 0 is 5. In the tens column, 2 plus 5 is 7. In the hundreds column, 6 plus 7 is 13. Put 3 in this column and carry 1. In the thousands column, 3 plus the carried 1 is 4. The product of the whole numbers is 4,375. Count the highlighted digit after each decimal point. The factors have one decimal place altogether, so the product needs one decimal place. Place the decimal point one place from the right. 4,375 becomes 437.5. So 3.5 times 125 is 437.5.